The 50/50 Margarita was created by New York City bartender Natasha Bermudez, and it's just a really elegant approach at a lower ABV margarita. We're gonna just take the little coin that I cut from a lime before we juiced it, and we're gonna put it on the outside of the glass like so. And then I got some Chile Salt here. You can also use worm salt if you like. So there we go, we rimmed our glass. And I also like to do it on just like half or quarter of the glass so you can sip it without or with the salt. 3/4 of an ounce of lime juice, quarter agave, half an ounce of Cointreau, 1 ounce of Manzanilla Sherry, and 1 ounce of Espadín Mezcal. Add some ice to our glass and our tin. Give it a nice shake. We're gonna strain, and there we have it. What a beautiful margarita. So you get a little bit of the smoke and the citrus notes from the mezcal. And then on top of that, you get the Manzanilla Sherry, which is very light. It is tart, but then it's also got that kind of acidic finish, which is really nice because it helps to bring acid into cocktails, but then also it's in a kind of in a mellow way. And then of course we have the orange notes of the Cointreau in there. We've got our lime juice. We got a little bit of agave balancing everything out. It's just very nicely balanced, lower ABV, and it reads perfectly like a margarita. So there it is, guys, the 50/50 Margarita. Today's episode is sponsored by ourselves. If I've said it once, I've said it 100 times. One of the most important things about cocktails is their presentation. And your garnish game can really make or break that presentation. So Marius and I decided that we wanted to start making some dehydrated fruit to garnish cocktails. Not only are they beautiful to look at, they're pretty long lasting, and they're functional garnishes in that they have aroma that you can add to your cocktail without unbalancing the cocktail, but just adding a little je ne sais quoi to it. So obviously we're doing limes, we're doing lemons, we're doing oranges, we're doing blood oranges, and we're doing dragon fruit. All of our citrus are organic, they're sourced locally, and this is a really good way to help the channel. The garnishes are made in small batches, they're essentially made to order, and although we're starting with, the usual suspects, the really simple lemon, lime, orange, blood orange, we hope to expand into some less common, harder to get fruits, and then on top of that, we'll have some seasonal offerings for you guys. So if you guys have any suggestions for things you'd like to see, definitely let us know. So head to the shop, and no coupon code needed because they're amazingly priced and it helps the channel.